Hi, welcome to your weekly wellness tip. This week we are talking about emotions. And lucky you, Young Living gave you 6 oils in your premium starter kit that are great to help support emotional balance. They are Stress Away, obviously, Peace and Calming, Valor, Frankincense, Citrus Fresh, and Lavender. Each of these has its own unique and different ways of help supporting your emotional balance. Peace and Calming and Stress Away and Lavender can obviously have a calming, just kind of a mellowing effect when you're having kind of a crazy day where you feel a little bit stressed out. Some of them are grounding, such as frankincense and valor. Definitely applying those topically or inhaling them from the bottle or diffusing them can help you just kind of feel grounded and more at peace. And then there's citrus fresh and peppermint, which by diffusing those or wearing those or taking them internally, because those are also in the vitality line, you can have a sense of feeling refreshed and awakened to start the day. So you have 6 to start with in your premium starter kit. Awesome, awesome. There are a couple others that I always like to recommend to add to your wellness arsenal, and that's Release. That is orange. There's Northern Lights Black Spruce and Christmas Spirit. Those are just 4. Young Living has a whole variety. We have over 300 oils and blends. So there are a lot of different essential oils that can help support your emotional system or your emotional balance. But these are just a few top great ones to have. So why? Why do we use essential oils to help support our emotional balance? Well, it has to do with our brain, which is a really cool thing. It's going to get a little sciencey here. So when you inhale in scent, the scent is traveled up your nose and your olfactory membranes in your nose then trigger an electrical impulse to the olfactory bulb in your brain. Now, that is connected directly to your limbic system. And of our 5 senses, our sense of smell is the only one that can access the limbic system. And that is important because the limbic system helps control different functions of the body, like your heart rate, your blood pressure, your breathing, your stress level, your memory, and your hormone balance. So there are profound effects psychologically and physiologically that essential oils can help support your emotional balance and well-being. Awesome, awesome thing. And here's a little picture of your brain and your olfactory bulb and how your limbic system is accessed through the sense of smell. So it's definitely in the science. There are, like I said, many oils for Young Living. Here's a little this is a little pamphlet of several of the top ones that we like to use. If there's something specific that you're looking for balancing, please give me a message and I'd love to help you. Obviously turn to your premium starter kit because you have a lot of support in there. So being that I mentioned Release, this is a really awesome blend to have, and I don't know if that many people know about it or have used it. I always like to suggest it because it's really great for letting go of emotion. Release, right? You want to release that. It's really important that we don't hold on to our emotions because they get stuck in our liver, and that can cause actually a lot of health imbalances. So by applying this to your feet at night at bedtime, it lets your body kind of rebalance and let go of the day, and you wake up feeling a lot more at peace. So I highly recommend Release. Here's orange, which is just a nice happy oil, and we are going to make a little bit of a roller blend, and I'm going to give this away. So this is Valor, Fave, Orange, and Release. This is an easy little blend, lovingly called the Tantrum Buster. We can call it Mommy's Timeout. This time of the holiday season, sometimes we can get a little agitated, right? Sometimes we can feel like we need a little time out. This is a great one to have on hand. So we're going to take a little 5 milliliter roller bottle, and I'm going to show you how to make this. It's really easy. So we're going to take a few drops of Valor. I'll hold it up so you can see. I'm doing about 7 to 8 drops of each one because this is a little one. I'm gonna do some orange. A little drop on the side, and then some release. And you can adjust this, of course, to your needs, but I think this is a nice, good, even blend. Just equally balancing it. Sorry, my bottle's almost empty, so it's going a little slow. Come on, baby. So now this blend, and then we're going to top it. I'm just going to use Young Living's V6. It comes with this great pumper top, which is really helpful to just fill up your roller bottles, right? And see if you can see the Valor in there. Let it focus. It's kind of swirling around. It's a gradated bottle, but you stick our cap on and use the cap to seal the cap to push the bottle on, and then we just rotate. Just tilt it to combine. And there is our Mommy's Timeout. We roll it on our wrists. You can roll it behind our neck. Smells lovely, nice emotional support. So if this is something you think you could benefit by using, or maybe your kiddos, because this is really great for kids too, give me a comment in the bottom and I will pick a winner for this. Thanks so much, guys. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you on the next weekly wellness tip. Have a beautiful day.